Driven leaders often lack self awareness. They don't see how frustrated staff become when every meeting turns into a monologue. Over time, staff give up. They stop offering ideas, waiting instead for the boss to feed them answers. The workplace turns into an idea free zone where only the leader's voice is heard. Breaking that cycle means deliberately slowing down, asking questions, listening carefully, and most importantly, encouraging contributions. Criticism kills engagement, but encouragement builds it. When staff feel their opinions matter, they become cooperative, resourceful, and loyal. Listening isn't soft, it's strategic. It turns passive employees into active partners in success.